In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove or change your credit card on ChatGPT in a quick and easy way. If you signed up for a paid plan and now want to update your payment method, remove an old card, or switch to a new one, this tutorial will walk you through the full process step by step. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple ChatGPT tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, open ChatGPT and make sure you're signed into the account that has the payment method you want to change. Once you're in, look down at the bottom of the screen and click on your profile icon. This is where you'll find your account and settings options. If you're using ChatGPT on desktop, the profile area is usually in the lower corner, so just click that to open the menu. From the menu, click on Settings. This will open the main settings panel, where you can manage your account, preferences, and billing options. If you don't see it right away, take a second to look through the menu carefully, because this is where the payment settings are located. Next, inside Settings, click on Account. This section contains your account level options, including billing and subscription information. Once you're in the account area, look for the Payment section. This is where ChatGPT stores the billing details connected to your subscription. Now find the Payment option and click on Manage. This should take you to the Billing Management page, where you can view your current credit card or payment method. Depending on your account status and plan, you may see options to update your card, remove it, or open your payment portal. If you want to change your credit card, look for the option to add a new payment method or update the existing one. Enter your new card details carefully, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Then save the changes so your new card becomes the active payment method. If you want to remove the current card, select the Delete option next to the payment method. In some cases, you may need to add a new payment method first before removing the old one, especially if your subscription is still active. That's completely normal, so if ChatGPT doesn't let you delete the card immediately, just update the payment method first and then remove the old one. Once the deletion or update is complete, double-check that the correct card is now listed in your account. This helps make sure future subscription payments go through the right billing method and the old card is no longer attached. And that's it. You've now learned how to remove or change your credit card on ChatGPT. It only takes a few steps once you know where to go, and now you can manage your billing information with confidence. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.